Carpenter bees can absolutely wreck your fence posts if you don't stop them. These holes look horrible, the tunnels inside can lead to rot and structural failure. Today I'm showing you a quick hack to seal them up for good using mortar repair caulk. Why do I use mortar repair caulk? Because it's weather resistant, shrinks less than standard wood filler, and the sandy texture actually blends in perfectly with weathered wood once it's dry. First, make sure the hole is empty. You want to clear out any debris or old nesting material. If the bees are still active, make sure you've treated the hole first so you don't trap them inside to dig a new way out. Take your caulk gun and place the tip deep into the hole. You want to fill it from the back to the front to ensure there are no air pockets. Squeeze until the mortar just starts to overflow. Then, take a putty knife or even your finger and smooth it flat. Once this cures, it's rock hard. It seals out moisture and prevents other bees from reusing the same tunnel next season. It's a 5-minute fix that saves your fence from a $500 replacement. If you found this DIY tip helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more ways to protect your home. See you in the next one.